Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to solve Instagram messages notification problem. So let's get started. First step is that you have to make sure that your notifications are turned on in the app. So now after that you have to open up the Instagram mobile application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. Then you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and after that at the top right corner you can see the three horizontal lines. You have to click on these and then you have to go to settings. In the settings you can see the second option is of notification. You have to click on this, and after that here you have to make sure that the option of pause all has been disabled, and then in the messages and calls you have to make sure that all of these are turned on. And after that you have to go back and open up the phone settings. Here you have to scroll down and go to app management, then you have to go to app settings, and after that here you have to search for Instagram, and in the permission sections you have to enable all of the permissions for Instagram. And then the last step is that you have to exit back of the setting and you have to open up the Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to search Instagram, and here you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram. If it says update right next to the Instagram, it means that there's a new update and you are using the old variant. So from here you have to update your app. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.